I think the turning point of my story was when I attended a couple of webinars organized by the AWSAR team, and those webinars helped me realize the difference between public science writing and the official scientific writing that we use for our publications. So this difference that the webinars helped me understand really improved my story.
I truly believe that AWSAR webinars and workshops help me in enhancing and improving my science story writing skills. With the valuable suggestions and inputs given by the experts in the webinar, I modified the story accordingly so as to make it simple, at the same time scientifically and technically correct.
One more thing which helped me a lot while writing the AWSAR stories, that was the AWSAR webinars. They were very, very helpful for me. So I will recommend anyone who want to participate, they should go through the AWSAR webinars as well.
I just enjoyed participating in the AWSAR competition. This was not the first time that I participated, of course, but I won this time. And so I would encourage every one of you to participate in these kind of competitions that help you understand how to make your science reach the public. Doing science is one thing, but making everyone understand what you're doing is equally important.
It was a great learning experience for me. It was my first experience and my first attempt, and luckily I got my first prize. So it was a very proud moment for me. I insist everyone to participate in the AWSAR competition, because doing science is one thing, but communicating science is also very, very important. So do communicate your science and research.
AWSAR experience was a lot fun for me and very exciting. So I would recommend anyone who want to participate, they should follow 4 C's. That is, they should be very clear, concise, coherent and creative while writing their stories.
I liked and enjoyed participating in AWSAR competition. It was great learning experience to me. This was my second attempt and I have learned many things from last experience to improve. This time I got the award, so I would say never lose the hope. You never know what tomorrow may bring. My message to young aspirant is that please participate in the AWSAR competition to showcase your research to the general audience in the form of a story.